Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to set up that checkout setting on your Shopify. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to set up that checkout setting on your Shopify. So now you can see here I already opened that official website of that Shopify in my desktop. So inside that you can see at the down setting icon is there, so click on that. And in the setting you can see the different options are there, like a general plan and all. So inside that you can see here one checkout is there, so click on that. So here it will be asking different detail and all, like customer contact method, where it's that customer get the notification about his checkout will be receive order and all, everything will get here. So and suppose any user want to interact with for that checkout, it's required that what we call email is required or not, everything you have to fill up here and all. And here it is asking about that customer information, that it should give only last name or first name and last name. You have to select that. I will select as this required first and last name for both. So and if they want to give that company name they can give, but here I don't give as don't include, like that I given here. So here also you have to give the address line number, everything detail you have to give here, that it should required or not, you have to select from here. And also here is one of the shipping address, phone number, you have to give that detail also, like if it's required or not. So as I will select as optional, it should be there. And if they want to interact they have to give as optional phone number for their address, so you have to give there. And also here is one of the marketing option, like if say customer can deselect if they don't want email marketing, so they can select like that. As I select as SMS, but I don't want this one, so email is good for that. Tipping is there, it is provided as a tip option or will be there, like 10%, 15%, every things will be there in that tipping. So you can select here from one, you can select from here. So here it is required for address correction preference, for where the billing address can still be edited. From here you can edit everything from that, options are there. If you don't want to give that you can select like this, but I will select as compulsory that customer should give everything detail and all for checkout customize. So and also you have to give that if you want that additional script you can give here. And also you have to give that checkout language, like if suppose I will select one, I already it's saying that I can't make changes in that. So and checkout rules is saying you have to read everything like that. So if any they want to visit their Shopify store, they can visit from here only by clicking on that they can go. So after filling all this information, now you can see here save option is there, so click on that, and that information will be filled for their checkout customize on that Shopify. So in this way they can set up that setting for that checkout. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys on a next video.